Hello and welcome to another episode of Toy Therapy. I'm your host, the Toy Therapist, Matthew Grant, and today I'm looking at another pop vinyl figure. This is 151 from the movie range, and this is from Big Trouble in Little China, Jack Burton. Just the same as the last figure, it's got exactly the same packaging. And you can see Jack Burton on the side there, and the rest of the figures you can see that as you remember from my last video, I reviewed Lo Pan. Okay, the packaging is just exactly the same with all the pop vinyl figures. They kept it very nice and simple, as you can see there. But yeah, it's exactly the same as the last figure, so nothing really much has changed or been new there. So without further ado, I'm going to have a quick look at this figure and see what I think. As you can see, I've taken Jack Burton out of the box, and it just looks just brilliant. You can really tell it's Jack Burton because they just really looked into the character and just made him just look just brilliant. And I love the cuteness to it as well. It's really starting to grow on me now, really are. And I can really see how people can get addicted to these because they just feel lovely and it just looks lovely in the hand as well, and they're quite a nice easy piece to display as well without the hassle. They haven't got a lot of hassle, these figures. But yeah, it's got the same movement as Lo Pan, just a hair swivel. Okay, but the detail that they have gone into this one is just one of my favourite at the moment compared to Lo Pan. Lo Pan was lovely, but it's got an extra little feel there, and you can see there he's got the t-shirt where he wore in the movie, or not t-shirt, the vest there of the Chinese type Buddha type t-shirt. But yeah, you can see he's got his hand gun there, or the machine gun, got his muscles there. So yeah, you can really tell it's Jack Burton, and I can really say at the moment I have paid my dues. But this particular figure is just looking brilliant. I like it. It's got a lot more flesh tone than Lo Pan. Okay, because Lo Pan wasn't mortal, he was more of a demon. But you can tell Jack Burton is more human looking because of the skin colour there. But it's got a very nice look about it. I do like the pop vinyl figures now. I can see why people are collecting these figures and really jumping on. The ones I'm going to be carry on collecting at the moment will be the movie range figures, because a lot of those are just my favourite movies that are really coming out. I think the next ones I'm thinking of picking up now will be Ghostbusters. They look brilliant and they look a lot of fun, like Ecto 1 and all that. But this particular one at the moment, I do like. And like I said, Big Trouble in Little China is one of my favourite movies. Really good action, great action. Kung Fu type 80s movie. So if you've never seen it, I will recommend to watch it, and you will laugh. You will really love. Got really good special effects, really good story, and it's a great little movie. So I will recommend to watch it. I might watch that tonight because I haven't seen that for a while. But yes, I picked this up from Fish for Comics. Links are below. I had it for a really good price. Cost me £10, exactly the same price as Lo Pan. And if I do a quick little size comparison with Lo Pan, Lo Pan is taller than Jack Burton, and the same price as well, which is just brilliant. So yes, these will be proudly displayed on my little shelf at home, in my little office area, and I can't wait to start collecting more of these little buggers, because I do like them. They're brilliant. They're nice and cute, nice and cheap, and they just look fantastic outside the box as well, or inside the box, wherever you prefer. So this is Toy Therapy signing out. I will see you guys next time. Hopefully I'm looking to review possibly Cable, or the Hulk from Age of Ultron from the Marvel Selects, or I might do another movie figure review. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Anyway, take care, bye bye.